Keela went to the one in Dubai, so she told us all about it. He suggested it. So Bianca's going on her date, but we're also going too. We scheduled a reservation so we too could eat while she eating and also spy on her date.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I'm Toni Fine, your fine fit sister, and I teach you how to have a healthy, sustainable relationship with food through portion control. Nicole and I are in Paris. I vlogged the most beautiful croissant making class yesterday. So much great stuff. Corrupted. Never be seen again. It's over. It's all right. So in the meantime, we've taken a train to Paris. We're in Paris. It's absolutely gorgeous. We went out to eat. We went to a croissant making class, made the croissants. They were so delicious. And today we are going to the Louvre. Girl, the Louvre is like a 30-minute tour. I'm trying to see the Mona Lisa and leave because I'm going back to the Louvre with my man, so I don't really need to be there that long, let's be honest. But if the girls want to stay longer, that's fine. It's 10 a.m. It's taking a while. I will give you guys a room tour, but this is where I'm staying. There are 6 bedrooms in this home, but it's 7 of us. So I was gonna share with Nicole, but instead of that, I need my own space. She's telling me to hurry up. Okay. I hate being rushed. This trip was about not being rushed. I don't give a fuck. I just want to look good. Okay, it's coming together. This lighting is beautiful, period. It's rainy, so I'll probably have to change my little outfit that I want to wear. This battery is charging, that's good. I've been using Nicole's makeup. Whenever I use her makeup, my makeup turns out so much better. She watched like this guy who's like a J-Lo's makeup artist, and she got all this Anastasia product that the powder is warmer. Instead of trying to be like super light skinned, use a warm powder. So I think it's looking 1,000 times better. Yes, Nicole? This is the makeup and the hair look. We have literally maybe an hour to get something to eat, so we might just go downstairs and grab something to eat, and then afterwards get dressed for the Louvre. So yes, my Fendi bag, and I'm going to go eat, and then right when we come back, I'm gonna put on my Louvre outfit. I gotta change the battery in here. Anyway, see you guys very soon. Yeah, I really feel good about the makeup. I want to do the middle part so I can look like Mona Lisa with better features, period. And the Louvre is literally right. House tour. We got this from VRBO, Verbo. This is a half bath. This is actually a whole bath. So sink, shower, toilet when you come in. And this is Akila's room. Yeah, this is Akila's room. She has a tub in here and then this hallway is mad random. This is a shower and a sink. They have a lot of those. This is another random one. Toilet and sink. And again, another random one. Is that a European thing? This is, okay, it's dark in here. This is TT's room. This is my mom's room. It's a room, but it's got a pull-out bed. She took the L. The views from this place, it's like this gorgeous courtyard that's right across the street from the Louvre. It's so beautiful. Yeah, right there is like one of the best hotels in the world, I think. This is the view from where we just came, the kitchen, all those random bathrooms. This is my room, which is a traditional living room. However, I'm trapping it out right now because I needed the space. It's so beautiful, and the couch is pretty big. I could share a room, but as you can see, everyone is kind of like all over their space. So here is the hallway again. Yet another half bath situation. Here is Bianca's room. No random products as far as sinks in there. Here's Diamond's room. And here is Nicole's room. Initially we were supposed to share, so that's why she has what I think is the best room. The shower is really nice. An entire sink situation and a TV. A beautiful view. Hello. So yes, that is the Airbnb. We're gonna go find something to eat. I need to put lotion on my feet. I could have worn a cuter outfit, but this outfit will be on for literally an hour. So let's not get crazy and do too much. Just for an hour, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, let's get it together and go to the roof. It is raining, so we probably gonna go to the spot right downstairs, and then come right back upstairs. They serve slow, so we kind of need to hurry up because they a little bit, you know, they take their time with shit. And then tonight we have a date. So Bianca actually got the girls made her dating profile. She got a date with this great guy in Paris, African guy, and he's taking her to an amazing restaurant. It's only 2 of them in the world, one here, one in Dubai. And Keela went to the one in Dubai, so she told us all about it. He suggested it. So Bianca's going on her date, but we're also going to. We scheduled a reservation so we too could eat while she eating and also spy on her date. So that'll be a lot of fun. That's at 7 o'clock tonight. So that's all we have. The Louvre, I think from 1 to 4, but our tour to get straight to the Mona Lisa is like 30 minutes. So we could stay longer, and we probably will. But I'm going back to the Louvre with Miles. So if the girls want to leave early, that's fine with me. Because it's not necessarily a great shopping day because of the weather. And also, I'm not trying to do any shopping. If I do any shopping, it'll be when Miles comes. Hello, bitch. I mean, why smile? And you know what? That's that Parisian shit. So I said when I'm here, I'm going to have my glasses on. Because I think they like New Yorkers. You know, New Yorkers be upset that everybody come to their town to be tourists. And I think Parisians are just that version. It's like, what the fuck are you coming here? I live by the Louvre. Why you want to see the Louvre for? Bitch, I'm not from here. Just now, girl. Y'all, because you can see. Like, look. I'm right here. I'm on display. Okay. So a girl was like walking by, like staring up at me, and I'm smiling like, hello. And then she just staring. Bitch. But I gotta put my shades on so I can give just, It's whole TikToks dedicated to people acting like Parisians, like giving the same energy that Parisians give. Parisians give very much cigarette smoker, very much fuck you. So I gotta get that energy when I'm out here, but I like it too though. I like it. Like I like calling her a bitch just now. That was fun. You looking at me, I'm looking at you. We both stylish. Hey, I like it. I like Paris. I like London. I like Paris. I feel like Miles gonna love it too. Anywho, and I'm tired of y'all broke bitches being leftover queens. Niggas be like, I'm gonna eat it later. I gotta get you outside.
I don't have leftovers.
Yeah, but I'm saying bitches like, oh, I'll just eat my croissants once a day, one a day. This isn't fair. She's so pretty. You're like really pretty. So you agree? So she agrees. So I agree. I thought you wasn't gonna look that good because your hair wasn't that cute. Don't worry, for the Louvre, I'm gonna look like Mona Lisa, who wasn't even that cute, but we're gonna keep our opinions to ourselves. Cooler, more interesting New York. I'm in a mad rush. This is the fit, different than what I imagined, but I still really like it. I'm wearing my boots. We're in the Louvre, you guys. So we missed our skip line tour to go straight to the Mona Lisa. So now we're doing the regular tour, which is pretty chaotic, extremely busy and hot. So my very cute outfit is burning me up. I expected to walk in and go straight there so I can wear a cute outfit and leave. Because even though it's like a museum, it's not a museum day for us. I already know the vibes. We're not big art people, but we do want to see like the big pieces. So right now we're just kind of around trying to figure out what's where, and the Mona Lisa is up, left. I think one of the girls is lost because of the chaos. We were supposed to walk in with just a guy who was gonna take us straight there and keep us all together. Now we're all kind of like fumbling. Yeah, and the girls are upset with me because I was agitated and aggravated. Well, me and Nicole was doing our makeup, taking hella long, taking pictures. My mom and my cousin was at Zara running up a bag. My sister, my bridemaid, and my good friend Diamond, they were, come on Diamond, we're at damn Dior and Goyard just, again, running up a bag. We have a shopping day. I would like if people stuck to the shopping, but here I am in this gorgeous place with all these amazing things and I'm complaining. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna hang this up and shut up.
Ooh, who got caught up in?
I love them drawing you. Thank you, mommy. I absolutely
offered to take somebody else's picture. Love it.
Sit it to the side so it doesn't look so placed.
But it's good though. Still in the Louvre. Stop for lunch. Yamin time to eat.
How was your ravioli?
It's good. Would you like some? Good.
What it tastes like? Ravioli. Miniature ravioli.
Okay, you guys, we just finished up at the Louvre. And we ate there, and now we're headed back. for Bianca's date at 7.
Maybe.
It's rainy. Some of the girls, oh my gosh, she's wearing the world's smallest Kelly bag. One thing about it, everybody here dressed very nice, very beautiful, very high fashion. And that's my room right there, you guys. The big long window, that's my room. And this is our courtyard, and it's raining. The girls walked, we rode. Why y'all didn't get in a bus? Hello, Andrea, doing live. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. You get the sample meal plan. Rodney, who drives trucks, he's not home. He makes all of his meals at home and he brings them on the road with him. He has a little microwave that he plugs up into the car and he warms those meals up. Rodney's lost 50 pounds. I believe Rodney is 36. He just had a brand new baby. Rodney was not active. He had no energy. He was just eating road food. Rodney now, 50 pounds lighter, is being swallowed in the suits he used to not be able to squeeze into. So happy for you. You're in this room with us every single day. I truly appreciate you. Happy belated birthday, Lee. In April, I was in a motorized chair grocery shopping. The embarrassment was real. Wow. Rodney, the Hawkinator, join the Facebook group so you can see all of Rodney's incredible posts. I didn't know that, Rodney. Rodney, in April, it is October, 6 months ago, right before Rodney found me, he was in a motorized chair in the grocery store, embarrassed. Rodney was riding around the grocery store in that damn chair. Rodney, I'm not gonna cry. That is crazy, Rodney. The fuck? I didn't know that, Rodney. That is crazy. That is crazy. The fuck was you doing in that chair? Anywho, I gotta go to dinner later. Yeah, Rodney in the damn motorized chair in the damn grocery store. He's embarrassed, right? But he don't know what to do with it. Rodney down 50 pounds now, period. Rodney playing on the basketball court. Rodney created a healthy relationship with food through portion control, and his ass is not in the chair. Rodney is not disabled. That man ain't nothing but in his 30s. What the hell was he doing in that damn chair? And I'm so glad you're not in that damn chair no more, Rodney. I'm so proud of you for finding this plan. That was 6 months ago. Finding this plan, getting yourself on it, putting your mom on it, putting your wife on it, just exposing them to this, and damn, getting your shit together. Okay, Rodney, getting your shit together. I didn't know that. Okay, it's very important.
Okay, but get the other battery though, because it may be charged, because I had it on the charger.
This is my outfit. It looks like nothing, but I promise you it's cute. This is such a beautiful background, but yeah, definitely not the outfit that I feel like I ate down to the socks. She young, it's still dreary. Gotta pee, kind of rushing. My feet hurt from being in a Louvre. This is a dress from Tory Burch. This is the look. Get into it or don't. I don't care what you do with that information. Or I'm gonna just wear my Yeezys and hold my heels. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. And if y'all didn't hear earlier in the story with the Louvre, all that walking and talking, and I thought that was Kith. Anyhow, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful on this road, and the Louvre is right there. Okay. I love y'all. I'll holla at y'all boys later. See, that side part was eating so much more. I gotta go back to the side part and stop playing because it was tearing the girls down. Middle part is giving forehead. We gotta go. Bye. Right. Where are we going, Mommy?
We're going to a fancy French restaurant for dinner at 7. And my baby Bianca is going on her first date with a young gentleman, so at a separate table in Paris. So it'll be exciting to see.
Hey, where are we going to?
To a nice French restaurant.
How is your experience so far?
It's been great. I'm so happy and so thankful for the experience.
Thank you. What have you enjoyed at the top? Not the most, but at the top.
I love the
It's been
croissant class.
everything. The croissant class was great.
I think that was really been
because we were able to make our own croissants.
Yeah, we never done
and they were beautiful. They came out beautifully.
Yes, they did. That was a
golden
fun team experience.
Ours came out better than the other teams.
I would agree. I would agree. Sure.
Sure. I agree. Y'all's was beautiful.
But everything's been nice, and so we've been great food.
Great food.
Great
company.
The UK had great food.
It's been really nice.
But last night we had great
Parisian-
meal.
RT was the
RT?
Parisian restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it stands for, but I know where it is.
I took a picture. We'd have to kind of.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was beautiful food.
That was great.
Yeah, it's been wonderful.
Yay! So we're headed to dinner. It's going to be excellent. Cannot wait to chow down.
Yes.
And then afterwards, I'm not sure, but tomorrow's gonna be more of a shopping, moseying around until photo shoot, which is later tomorrow afternoon. So that should be so good. See you guys at dinner. Peace. Bianca was supposed to be on a date, but here's Bianca right here.
I'm right here. Hey guys.
Hello. The girls. Hello. We thought they were in here already.
Yeah. No.
Okay,
no,
we
no.
will.
This is,
Hold on. Let's get the tea.
yeah. Let's get the tea.
We have food watch, y'all. Yeah, at the top of the morning. That door is like 12 stories high.
Well, we made it
Well,
today.
I'm glad because
I
we
look
really
bomb.
needed a beautiful
I didn't even
dinner, so
show
this was
you
a reason.
my outfit. Yeah. We're all here. Okay, remember we were planning like getting her a date and da 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 da. Well, we'll chat later in the room. See you soon.
This ain't the American charcuterie board that got all the food.
Right. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. When y'all have a chance, pass the platter around, please. I can shop.
I got the salad and I plan on sharing some.
This is a